Yes, we're here in Seafood Park in Arvika, Sweden with my inaanak. Hi! Come, go up there. Yes, and we're going to tour you here in the park of Arvika. Yep. Okay, stay with us. Yan, ang ganda po ng mga flowers. Actually, it's all gold flower. Wait lang ha, I'll show you. Diba? Puro gold flower siya. Tayo bukas, malamig eh. What? Oh, moto. Kasi parang sumakatan. Wala na naman ang makatan. Wala na. Balik na tayo. Let's go! Let's come back here some other day. It's so sunny in the other side. Ang batang makulit, mapining marikit. Nilalamig ka? Ano yung sinasayaw mo? Marikit, okay. Yes, yes. Okay, let's go, let's go. Ganda ng colors. Very nice. Ang bango dito, lalo na yung lavender. Very relaxing. Ang bango-bango ng bulaklak. Dami sila nagwo-walk. I just want to smell the aroma. Park. Sa islands, in the middle of islands, di ba? And what could I tell? It's so beautiful here. Just awesome. Yes, it's another island. No, it's a pond. I think it's a pond. Oh, man-made water. No? Ganda? Spring? Wow! It's a real thing. Ang sarap kasi. Yeah, we're still in Africa. This is the People's Park. Yan na, si Batang Marikit. Nagtatakbo na si Batang Marikit. I really like this color. And the lavender. Batang Marikit! Let's go to the tulips. Doon tayo sa banda doon. Doon! Here, baby! Papunta na tayo ng Centro. We're going to Centro. Hirap naman dito. Kasi stay na sa mga very nice. And oh, how could I resist this? How could I resist this? I should. Wow, it's a fashion. We should go here. Wow. Yes. Wow. Very nice here. Diba? Na-experience ko din dumaan sa ganito. Sarap din na tapos na yung mesa sa gilid-gilid. And then we have this fountain right here. Fountain and yellow colors. Wow! Yellow, super yellow and pink. Wow, this is really cool. Lagay mo kayong kamay mo dyan, bebe. Lagay mo dyan. Sige, lagay mo lang. Ganyan po kalaki yung flower. Ganyan po kalaki yung flower. Yung kamay ko nandyan, no? Ito, yung kamay natin, no? Super laki. Talaga, ang laki-laki talaga. Tignan mo, ang laki. It's super maganda and green because it's sunny and sometimes it's like windy and rainy, but still it's sunny. So napakaganda ng mga tubo ng damo. Actually, damo plant and trees and everything. Oh my god, this is super big. I want to get this one. Yeah, tingnan mo yung kamay ko.